Hello everyone and very good afternoon to all. Today we will talk about the cloud computing subject. In cloud computing there are some service model that are provided by the cloud computing. Those are PaaS, that is platform as a service, IaaS as a infrastructure as a service, SaaS as a software as a service. Those are the various services that are provided by the cloud computing. What are the uses of the service model? Why they are used differently. So, first of all, we will talk about the platform as a service. What is platforms as a service? Platform means it provides the platform to build our app. That is, if we want to build some application or web application, for that building the application, we require some software for compiling the our code or for database management and many of those. So for that platform as a service provide the platform to us to compile our project or run our project and deploy our project. Those are the requirement which are provided by the platform as a service. For building the app, we have to write our own code to build the app. In the platform as a service, they will not write their code. We have to write our own code to build the app. They will only serve you the platform for that project management. Everything they will provide you the like virtualization, like operating system, database. But the database management you should do for that. And the languages you should know about the languages, that is PHP if you are using Java or HTML, CSS, JavaScript. There are various languages for building the application. Front end you have to manage, back end you have to manage, all the things you have to manage in the platform as a service. But they will provide you the platform only for deploying the project also. And now the infrastructure as a service. What is infrastructure as a service? In the infrastructure as a service, if you want to build application, so the we must know the programming languages for building the application. If we have the knowledge of the languages and also in the infrastructure services, we should have the platform for running our project or compiling our project. It is not provided in the infrastructure as a service. In the platform as a service, it provides the platform for compiling or running our project. But in the infrastructure as a service, they will not provide us the platform to compile or run our project. They will only provide you the deployment of the project. Means if our whole app is now completed and we want to deploy it, and so the user can interact with the application and use the application. So we have to deploy that application. That deployment will be provided by the infrastructure as a service. It is concluded. Virtualization they will provide us. So the example of the in, example of infrastructure as a service will be the Amazon Web Service, AWS, or Microsoft Azure, or Google as Google Web Services, and there are many web services provided by various companies for deploying our project. And the example of the platform as a service, it will AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, and Windows Azure. It provides the platform to compile or run our project or deploy our project. Three things they are providing us, platform as a service. But in the software as a service, what we have to do? We have to do nothing for the um, we have to do nothing for making our app. That if we want to build some application, one application, then we don't have the knowledge, if we don't have the knowledge about the programming languages and we want to build some application, then uh, it comes under the software as a service. They will manage all the things. The things is required, what type of application you want. They will make the project, they will deploy the project. All the things are managed by the companies. Mm, It comes under the software as a service. We don't have to do anything in it. Just we have to use that service, use that software. The software as a service example of it, it will be a Google apps, which are different Google apps, Mail, YouTube, Google, and the WhatsApp. It comes under software as a service. They have built by another someone, and we are using it. So the it comes under the software as a service. We do not have to do anything for it. If they are paid application, then we have to paid for it. If they are free, we can use it. WhatsApp is free, Facebook, Google Mail, YouTube, Google, Chrome. Those are the various applications that are freely available for us. That comes under software as a service. We are using it. And infrastructure as a service, I have explained you. And PaaS, platform as a service, that also I have explained you. So the three things are there, mainly infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. You should keep in mind software as a service. There are the apps which we are using. In platform as a service, they will provide the platform to you for building the app. The just your work is that you should build that project or build that application. You do not worry about the how you will compile that project, how will you run that project, or how you will deploy that project. You don't worry about it. They will do these things. Just we need to build our project, write our own code. In the infrastructure as a service, the platform for running the code, that is comes under the infrastructure as a service. Platform should be your for running the project, not for deploying. They will deploy your project on the cloud services if you are using infrastructure as a service. This is all about the service model that are provided by the cloud computing. So thank you.